Hi, today we're going to be doing an experiment, firecrackers versus gasoline. See what kind of reaction we can get when they're both combined together. Now, before I do this experiment, I've got a story that I want to tell you. Back several years ago, probably 20 years ago, I was going to burn a stump in my front yard. So I took gasoline and I poured it all over the stump. Why I chose gasoline, I have no idea. But once I poured the gasoline on the stump, I realized that I'd forgotten my matches. So I went back into the house to get the matches. I come back out not thinking that the fumes from the gasoline had been filling the air while I was inside. I struck the match and there was all I seen was a flash of light, and then the entire yard was on fire. Fortunately, I didn't get burned at all, but I don't know how that happened. So do not under any circumstance try this yourself, because it's very dangerous. I've got a small container. I'm going to pour some gasoline in. Pour a little more. Okay. Now, I'm going to start out taking a small firecracker, and I'm going to put it right there so that maybe the fumes will catch on fire, possibly the fumes plus the gas. I don't know. Let's see how it works. Well, caught the container on fire. Alright, let's see what else we can do here. I've got a firecracker with a longer fuse, so let's try to stick the firecracker down into the container. And then light it that way. Well, that didn't really work out too well. The fuse burned strangely, and the entire firecracker fell into the gasoline. Okay. I have another long fuse firecracker that I've got here. So we're going to try this and see if it works. Okay, well obviously that isn't working out too well. So we're going to go back to the other way and see what we can make happen. Let's give it a moment and see what happens here. Strangely enough, even though the gasoline did catch on fire from the firecracker and it did start melting the container, once it burned for a little while, the fire just went out on its own. So let's try something else. Let's pour the gasoline out on the table. Put a firecracker on it and set it on fire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.